Learned senior advocate Mr. Nanavati has submitted that the prosecution has tried to project that A7 had the motive to eliminate the deceased since the alleged illegal activities were highlighted due to various applications filed by the deceased against him. He has submitted that the prosecution and the trial court has primarily relied on the various applications filed by the deceased against A7 and also the evidence of the below mentioned witnesses. Reference is made by him to the evidence of following witnesses. Stop para. This witness is a former member of the Legislative Assembly within bracket MLA of the Congress Party. It is submitted that from the entire neutral citation R/C.A/2163/2019 CAV judgment dated 06/05/2024 undefined evidence, it is manifest that he has a political rivalry with A7 and was also having animosity with him. This witness has also admitted in his evidence that he has contested that election against A7 on various occasions from 1995 to 2007, and in all the elections A7 had won. He has admitted that he is an arch political rival of A7. It is further admitted by him that during the television within the TV interview which was taken after the funeral of the deceased, he has specifically named A7 without any proof. It is further reflected that there were also criminal cases involving A7 filed in 2005. It is also admitted by him that deceased Amit Jethra used to collect various information under the Right to Information Act 2005, for short the RTI Act, and used to supply the same to him. Thus, it is submitted that the trial court has failed in error in placing reliance on the evidence of this witness para. It is submitted that he named A7 in his deposition and has labeled allegation that A7 occasionally used to issue threats to his son as his son was revealing the illegal activities carried out by A7. He has further stated that he had informed the electronic media as well as the print media, alleging that A7 had committed murder of his son. Such interview has been given immediately after he received the dead body of his son from the hospital, and he has admitted that though the police inspector Sri Kundolia Shola Police Station, Ahmedabad, approached him to record his statement. However, he refused to talk with him and continued with his interview with the press. He has also stated that PW25 DK Bharat is a very close friend of him and was present at the funeral process of his son Amit Jethra within the deceased. It is also admitted by him that there are various other persons also who were named by the deceased for doing the illegal mining within 5 kilometers of the Gir sanctuary over a neutral citation para. The substantial piece of evidence is unreliable, hence a corroborative piece of evidence cannot be considered for conviction. It is further submitted that no transcript of the alleged interactions amongst the accused are available or collected by the investigating officer in support of his submissions. Learned senior advocate Mr. Nanavati has placed reliance on the decision of the apex court in the case of Rajesh and another versus State of Madhya Pradesh, passed in criminal appeal number 7932-794 of 2022, dated 21/09/2023. More particularly, paragraph number 34 thereof, thus it is stated that there is no tangible link between A1 and A7 to establish the case of conspiracy. Para. All possible attempts are made by the victim and the prosecution, witness, and investigating agency to earn the conviction of A7. The trial court has convicted the accused by invoking the principle of estoppel and by placing reliance on the police statements recorded under section 161 of the CRPC. The trial court has shifted the burden of defense to prove that the investigating officer visited the place of conspiracy. All the findings of the trial court are based on the presumptions. Learned senior advocate Mr. Nanavati has submitted that in fact the trial court has held that only on the evidence of PW 26 Rambhai Hajabhai Solanki, the conspiracy cannot be established against A7, and by considering other evidence, the conspiracy of murdering the deceased is established, and ultimately a finding is recorded by the trial court that the entire conspiracy has been hatched by A7. Para. While referring to the decision of the apex court in the case of Dinubhai Bhogabhai Solanki versus State of Gujarat and others. Stop. Thank you.